And welcome back to RR Consultancy Services. Today's topic is how you can read annual report of a company. So basically annual report consists of three major financial statements, which are income statement, cash flow statement, and a balance sheet. So today I'm going to show you actually in practical how you can read an annual report. So this was the last annual report that I searched for. So yeah, I'm going to take this as example for this video. So after you search the annual report of a company, you can search you can search for like any company. In this video, I'm showing you the annual report of Unilever PLC for the year 2025. Okay, and I will try to open it in a new tab. Okay. The first thing that I want to tell you is that the annual report of a company is really big. So it is not possible for someone to read it entirely unless you are very much interested in it. So you have to use some smart shortcuts. Okay. So I'll use Control F, which is a shortcut version of find, and type for this term, which is consolidated. The moment I typed consolidated, you can see that I have found consolidated financial statements of Unilever Group and all the other necessary things that are required in this video. So the page number for this is 128. I'll jump straight to it. Okay. What is it? It is a consolidated income statement. So what is an income statement? We all know that an income statement of an organization shows all the direct and indirect expenses and incomes for a particular financial year. So this is a consolidated income statement for Unilever PLC where we have the values for 2025, 2024, and 2023. And you may want to look at the values like turnover, operating profit, profit before tax, which is called shortly as PBIT, or the net profit, earnings per share, which is very commonly known as EPS. So all these basic and most significant information that we use in our financial analysis can be found in the income statement of an organization. So you have to search for consolidated income statement in case you are looking for the values which are directly relevant to the income and expenses of an organization. Clear? So the next part is the cash flow statement. So basically what happens is these three financial statements, income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet, comes one by one. Okay. After after the income statement ends, you will find the consolidated statement of comprehensive income where a detailed revenue or detailed income of the company will be shown. If you want, you can check this out too. Next, I will show you the consolidated statements in equity. Okay, this is like not so important. You can skip this. Yeah, here it comes. Consolidated balance sheet. So balance sheet is also known as the financial positioning of a organization. So here what you can see is consolidated balance sheet includes assets and liabilities, two major options. Assets include current assets, and liabilities include non-current liabilities and current liabilities. And after that, there is a separate equity section where the total amount of equity of the chosen organization is written for 2 consecutive years for this 2025 and 2024. So what happens is uh, it always have to tally, like the asset side and liabilities plus equity side must tally, and that is how you understand that the values are correct and this is authentic. Okay, so this is the consolidated balance sheet. You can use the inventories, trade and other receivables, cash values, or some deferred tax assets, financial assets, or some property, plant, equipment values from this information. You can also check out some liabilities of the organization like payables, current payables, or non-current liabilities. All these values can be used in a core financial analysis like ratio analysis or some detailed stock market analysis. Okay, next comes the consolidated cash flow statement. So a cash flow statement includes all the necessary information of cash incomings and outgoings. These two terms are very common in cash flow statement analysis because here in a cash flow statement there comes three major activities, three major categories. One is cash from operations, cash from finances, and cash from investing. Okay, so under these three heads, we actually see, the management actually sees that how much cash is coming and how much cash is going. So the main motto of this entire preparation is to check if the cash incomings are greater than the cash outgoings. See, for Unilever, the cash and cash equivalents at the end of the year, after all the calculations, are positive in positive values. That means that cash incomings under all three heads are greater than the cash outgoings. So this is a positive sign for Unilever. And by checking out this figure, the investors or the management of an organization decides that, oh, okay, the liquidity of our organization is good, or this organization is doing well in terms of liquidity or paying off short-term debts. So this is how you can actually search for and read the consolidated cash flow statement, balance sheet, and income statement. I hope this video was helpful. And a short tip, in case you are working with an UK organization, you will always search for terms like consolidated income statement or consolidated balance sheet. Okay, because all the UK firms keep this name in their annual reports, so it becomes easy for you to search and cut all the crap. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like and follow for more. Thank you.